In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Roblox avatar or customize it. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you look at your profile here, you can see the avatar that is next to your username. So if you want to change this, go ahead and tap on avatar down here. And this will take you to marketplace where you can find any free or buy any avatar that you so wish. Now go ahead and identify one. For instance, if you want this, you can go ahead and tap on it, and then it will convert your avatar to this form, and you can see how it will look when you apply this. As you can see, there are quite a number of avatars. You can also go ahead and choose according to these categories. For instance, you can choose from avatars, body, clothings, and even accessories. You can also go ahead and choose a free avatar. So if I scroll this up to open more, you can see we have quite a number of free avatars that you can also choose and use on your account. So that's how you can change your Roblox avatar. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.